Homemade Arabian chicken Kabsa Biryani with cashew nut recipe, delicious Middle Eastern flavors. Hello, foodies. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel kitchen. Today, we have an exciting and flavorful recipe for you, homemade Arabian chicken Kabsa Biryani with cashew nut. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey to the Middle East with this mouth-watering dish that combines aromatic spices, tender chicken, and the richness of cashew nuts. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a delicious recipe. Let's get started. Ingredients: chicken, 1 kilogram, cut into pieces. Basmati rice, 2 cups, soaked and drained. Onion, 2 large, thinly sliced. Tomato, 2 medium, chopped. Garlic, 4 cloves, minced. Ginger, 1-inch piece, minced. Green chilies, 2, chopped. Kabsa Biryani masala, 4 tablespoons. Cashew nuts, ½ cup, toasted. Raisins, 1/4 cup. Yogurt, ½ cup. Cooking oil, 1/4 cup. Ghee, 2 tablespoons. Fresh cilantro, for garnish. Salt, to taste. Water, 4 cups. Preparation, Step 1. Marinate the chicken in a bowl. Marinate the chicken with yogurt, half of the Kabsa Biryani masala, minced garlic, minced ginger, and salt. Allow it to marinate for at least 30 minutes to let the flavors infuse. Step 2. Toast the cashew nuts while the chicken is marinating. Let's toast the cashew nuts. Heat a pan over medium heat and toast the cashew nuts until they turn golden brown. Set them aside for later. Step 3. Cook the onions in a large pot. Heat oil and ghee over medium heat. Add thinly sliced onions and cook until they caramelize and turn golden brown. This will add a sweet and rich flavor to our biryani. Step 4. Cook the chicken. Add the marinated chicken to the pot with caramelized onions. Cook until the chicken is browned and cooked through. This will ensure that the biryani is packed with flavor. Step 5. Add tomatoes and green chilies. Stir in chopped tomatoes and green chilies. Cook until the tomatoes are soft and the mixture is well combined. Step 6. Layering the biryani. Now, it's time to layer our biryani. In the same pot, layer half of the soaked and drained basmati rice over the chicken mixture. Sprinkle the remaining Kabsa Biryani masala, toasted cashew nuts, and raisins. Step 7. Final layer and cooking. Add the remaining rice as the final layer. Pour 4 cups of water over the rice, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid and let it cook on low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the rice is fully cooked and has absorbed the flavors. Step 8. Garnish and serve. Once the biryani is ready, fluff the rice gently with a fork. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve this aromatic Arabian chicken Kabsa Biryani with cashew nut hot on a platter. And there you have it, a delightful homemade Arabian chicken Kabsa Biryani with cashew nut. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel and share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy cooking! Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Thank you very much, Arabian chicken Kabsa Biryani with cashew nut lovers.